This is EDRS Quick Reference Sheet 2035-MC- creating a new data entry office support pronounce user account. Please note these directions are only used to create RN and facility support staff accounts. To get started, click the Users Fast link from the home screen. Enter the username or last name, then click the Search All button. If the user account exists, go to QRS 2027-MC, associating your facility with an active or terminated user or data provider account. If the user account does not exist, click the New User button to create a new user account. Enter the following user account information. First, a username, which is case sensitive, must start with a letter and be 6 to 10 characters. Next, enter a generic temporary password. It must be 12 characters in length, should contain upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and one of the following characters: and sign, asterisk, period, comma, number sign, exclamation point, ampersand. Confirm the password by re-entering the same password chosen above. Remember to select the temporary password checkbox. And lastly, enter a start date of January 1st, 1900. When finished, click the Next button. You will then enter the following name and address information: the user's name, title, only if an RN, facility address, and mailing address, which is optional. Please note, if the facility and mailing address are the same, enter the facility address and select the Same as Mailing Address checkbox to complete the mailing address. When finished, click the Next button. Enter the following contact information: work, cell, or home phone numbers, which are optional, unique email address, which is required, and the preferred method of contact if known. When finished, click the Next button. On the next screen, enter the PA license information, but only if the user is an RN. Do not include spaces or dashes in the license number. Important to note is that you cannot change an RN license number once the account is created, so verify it now. Next, enter a medical license start date of January 1st, 1900. Then click the Next button to save. The Update User screen will then display. Select your facility or campus from the available office affiliations field and click the Add arrow or greater than sign button to assign your facility or campus to the user. Confirm that your facility or campus now appears in the Office Affiliations Assigned to the User field. Please note, if you are the facility account manager for multiple facility or campuses, the available office affiliations will only list the facility or campus you selected at login. If the user or data provider requires access to your other facility or campuses as well, log out after you create this account. When you log back in, select the office link for the next facility or campus you need to add. Locate and open the user's account. Click the Update Office's Roles Business Function link and complete the previous steps to add that facility or campus to the user's account. Repeat is necessary to add all facilities to which the user or data provider needs access. Click the Next button. The user types screen will now display. Select Medical Facility User from the Users Type drop-down list. Click the Add button. When finished, click the Next button. On the User Role screen, select Default Death Facility User Active from the Available Roles field and click the Add arrow or greater than sign button to assign that role to this user. Confirm that the Default Death Facility User Active now appears in the Roles assigned to the user field and click the Next button. The Business Functions screen will now display. Do not make any changes. Click the Finish button. You will now see the user summary. Review and verify that all of the new user's information is correct. If any information needs corrected, click the link at the bottom of that box to display the applicable screen for editing. Once verified, notify the user of their new username and temporary password. Provide the follow password instructions. The user will be prompted to create their own new password when they first log in. The new password must be 12 characters in length. The new password should contain upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and one of the following characters: and sign, asterisk, period, comma, number sign, exclamation point, ampersand. The new password will be valid for 60 days.